Man, what the fuck? All the power cut off. Look at this shit. What the fuck? Oh my god. Oh, what the fuck? Man, hold up. Gotta come back in here for a second. Hold on, man. I ain't from around here. That shit freaking me out. Well, my cell phone just flickered too. And I'll just tell you that. All the power was flicking off. Bro, I was sitting in my car, bro, getting gas, bro, at the gas station. And I just watched the lights keep flickering all down the block. Just watch. Bro, I'm over here getting my homeboy Maurice, bro, waiting on this dude, bro. Tell me why the old Walmart parking lots, the lights everywhere blinking, bro, flicking. Even the damn car lights just flick, man. I just try to catch this shit on camera, bro. This is scary. I just watching this shit on Mr. BB, bro, and it's happening right here in front of me. These dudes